it for 40 minutes in my oven, which was 85 degrees for a bread proof. Now we're gonna have to roll this. Roll it so we could make our roll. We're gonna sprinkle some flour on the bench and just put this in like this. It's gonna be sealed. The dough is soft, pliable, very nice. This is why I like this, because I don't like it when the dough is hard. That means it's not even gonna be that soft once we bake it. So I'm gonna do this a few times. Fold it. Now we're gonna try to roll it. My scraper is my lifesaver, always. Lots of flour, and we will roll. Okay, the size we will measure, I don't know, I do it by the way I always do it. I don't know the sizes, but we'll do it as we go. We'll measure it, okay? Once we start rolling, we will measure it. I usually go twice like this, and then I will twist it this way. It distributes evenly. More flour. You can even probably stretch it by hand. It's just that I like to stretch it with my roller. Kind of also kills the bubbles that we don't want yet. Okay, the length of this is fine. Oh wait, I forgot to heat up my oven to 400 degrees right now. And I have a stone in it. I have a nice stone in it. You can bake it on a tray, but I have a stone. I like to bake it on a stone.
Pizza stone.
It's a pizza stone or whatever stone I call it. Basically, it's a whatever stone. Okay, let's see. Let's see the measurement of, as you can see, the bubbles in this. Okay. It's about, let me measure it to be precise for anybody that wants exact measurements of this. Let's do this. It's gonna be about, let's say, 20 inches wide. I could be wrong, but let's measure it. Let's say 18 inches by 13. 18 by 13. Okay. Because we will stretch it a little bit and it will make it 18. Because since we measured at 17, now it's gonna be 18. 18 by 13. Perfect size. Okay, what we have is our olive mixture that we're gonna spread all over now. It's gonna go like this. Make sure you evenly distribute this. Even if it's not that even, it's okay, because it's gonna get rolled. Doesn't matter, somebody somewhere will get a piece of olive. You can go all the way to the edges, because even the edges of this roll are pretty delicious. We'll take it from this middle a little bit, spread it to the edges. I mean, if somebody likes more filling, you can definitely do it, but this is how I do it. This is how I like it. This is my way. Okay. Now, clean your hands in case if it had an olive and start rolling like this. Nicely. Roll it. Okay. Once we get to the end, let's just pinch it like this. See like how I'm pinching it? And I don't usually pinch the edges, doesn't matter. My loaf is ready. What I need is parchment paper, which I always have it. What I got is parchment paper. Let's clean up so we could put this here. And we don't need this. Remove. So we're gonna put the parchment paper like this. But since it's longer than my parchment paper, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it like this. So it fits properly, like that. This way it fits properly. Now, I'm gonna move it to my pizza pill like this. And I'm gonna put some egg whites on it to make it, people can do egg washes, egg whites, just plain cream, whatever you like. I always have egg whites handy, and I like that I don't use that much other eggs, like egg yolks on my baking stuff, because then you can taste the egg yolks, and I'm not too crazy about it. Actually, my husband is not. I am okay with it. Okay, so we're just gonna put some egg whites like this. Okay, since it's a pretty thick roll and we want to make s'mores, you can use sharp knife, but I have this it's for bread scoring. So you go like this. You want it to cut a little bit so your loaf can get some air inside and cook better. At least that's what I think. Okay, perfect. This looks good. We can do like this, or we could add sesame on it, poppy seed, just plain, or bagel topping. You can do whatever you like. It's basically whichever you feel. Plain is just like this is also okay. So we're gonna put it aside, let it rise for about 10 minutes. That's it. Let's preheat it. You have to put it in the oven. This is the pizza pan, and it's gonna go like this because it's not big enough, but this is perfect. We're gonna start with 20 minutes. Okay. Let's start with 20 minutes and see.